Hello friends, welcome back to the series of Java 11 feature, and in this video we will cover more about var, because as you know that Java 11 provides you the type inference. So as a developer we think that it work automatically, but when we will refactor or we will write a code, then we might come up with some problems that I'll explain today and how to tackle those things. So first and foremost thing is that we cannot declare var empty. So if I'm declaring var name and leaving it without anything, then it will not work because compiler needs something. Rule number 2 is you cannot assign null to var because it needs some type to work upon. So if you are defining null, that means it will think that there is no type assigned, so Java compiler will say that I will not proceed. So you might be thinking that it's okay that for the primitives it will work, that we can assign 0 as a default value or for the numeric and false for boolean and so on, but for objects we need to initialize with something because we can't say that it's always a new object. So for that Java 11 provided a way, like you can do this thing in this manner. So now it will work. So you need to implicit cast null into var if you want to use it. Yeah, it's a bit weird, but this is how it's designed. Next thing is, by default your var, if you're declaring any numeric value, it's points to the int, it's not point to any other variable. So if your value increases, it will not automatically converts it into long, so you have to manually write L in behind it to make it work. So the default numeric value is int. Next thing, you might be playing with some floating points, like you are writing var div is equal to 5 by 2, so it will not automatically convert it into 2.5. you need to manually cast it. So you need to write double to cast it into double or float, whatever you want. Same for the characters. So if you are having a character ch is equal to 97 and you print this one, so you can see that it's A has been printed, but if you will declare it as a var, then it will automatically become an int. So if you will run this time, it will give you 97 int values. So for that you need to again convert into char. Next, for arrays there are some rules, like if there is a character name is equal to let's say A, B, so it's giving me compiled error because I earlier defined it as name. So and now if we want to use it as a var, and if we are removing it, we will get a compile time error. So how to resolve it? To resolve it, you need to define new. In this way it will work. So it will be a handful to you when you are writing Java 11 code or you are refactoring existing code. There might be chances that you end up with some defects, but if you will go through with these rules, you might be able to spot that defect and able to fix it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it, like it. I'll see you in next video. Keep watching. Thank you.